Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. I am here with Holtapu's top try scorer, Quentin Hill. We're excited. We have our first consent-free granny flat getting built here in Te Araha, which is a momentous occasion. Quentin, what have we got in here behind us?
Right here we got a nice rib raft slab with full insulation and yeah, all fully engineered and it's looking good. Yeah.
That Quentin likes to look away from the camera and look at the slab whilst he's talking. So we got a pour going on Monday. What's awesome is we're not waiting for inspections. We're doing it all right, all engineered. It's going to be phenomenal. Slab, frames, getting into it, roofing it. We want to see this happen as quickly as possible because whilst they called it a granny flat, is this for a granny, Quentin?
No, it's not. It's actually for the daughter.
And a newborn baby. That's it. These are great for a minor dwelling. Have the kids come back, live at home, give them somewhere nice and warm. So that's awesome. Make sure you have yourself an awesome weekend. Quentin, you guys score some tries?
Yeah, for sure.
That's it. Quentin's scoring tries. I'm supporting those scoring the tries. Awesome. Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. We've seen the granny flat that's been underway. I'm here with Quentin, my man. We've got an awesome pole shed, maybe 5 minutes down the road. What sort of size have we got on this beautiful piece of New Zealand made?
So this one's really beautiful. It's 12 meters long by 9 meters deep. Huge sectional doors going in here, 5 meters by 3.2. Yeah, so massive, nice shed. Client's got a couple classic cars going in
More
here.
than like half a dozen. We've been talking classic cars. Come on inside here. We just want to show off Drydex cladding on the roof and the walls. All the walls are going to be lined, so we've got nice ventilation. So we want to keep these cars nice and dry, so they're going to be ventilated in there. And then we're using the same level of timber that you would inside a house. All machine gauge, kiln dried, machine round poles, so just get a better, higher quality finish, because we're all about great sheds done right. Awesome. Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. We're on to build number 3 from Te Araha back into Morrinsville. We're here in Walton.
Yep.
We are. Dairy farmer. Shout out to the dairy farmers. We love you guys. Backbone of the country. We've got an awesome steel shed. I love steel sheds. I love New Zealand made. What are we looking at specs wise, Quentin?
This is 13.5 long by 10 deep, so nice big shed. Obviously mono here. Yeah, looking great. Paul and Stan are doing a fantastic job getting this one done.
Come on inside, have a little bit of a look. Got top hats, as I said, all New Zealand steel, Drydex on the roof. So that's awesome for there. Airflow, nice, neat, tidy look. Paper on the wall so it can be lined. Engineers have been loving this one because we're in a lee wind zone. We've got lots of girts on there, strength by design. It's all going off. Phenomenal. This one's just going to be, is this one for racing tractors? Or?
That is right, yeah. The guy, he builds racing tractors and he races them and does the tractor pull at field days, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, this is where he'll house those tractors, I believe.
Awesome. Well, fans, follow along. We'll be at field days and we're going to check out some racing tractors. We're going to go behind the scenes and find that one out. But otherwise, make sure you have a good Friday. Watch on to the next one and we're going to show you another job we're building underway because we love building awesome sheds. Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, number 4 for the morning. We are in Morrinsville. Big old industrial build we've got underway here. This is all going to be storage sheds down the side here. We've got the blue steel from Axis Steel framing over there for that. Inside here, massive workshop. Quentin, what do we got going on here? Hit me with a spec.
Yeah, this is a beautiful big shed. I think it's about 20 odd meters, I think that way. Yeah, big roller doors, obviously, so that they can bring gear in. Obviously, it's just extension of what they've got over there already. So yeah, huge, nice space for them to add on to what they've got. Yeah, looking great.
Yeah.
Got the roof on, which is always good.
Quentin's under-spec'd. It's about 15 meters span by 30 meters deep, 450 squares. New Zealand steel, we love it. Clear span, strength by design. We've got the engineers in there. We've got a knee brace, apex brace. Made it really easy to stand and it gives it that strength. Drydex cladding on the roof, colour steel. We love it. We're making, build in New Zealand, out in New Zealand. That's what we want to see. thoughts? How many tries are we going to get for the weekend, Quentin?
Oh, I'll try and get 2. That's usually my average. So yeah, we'll try and get 2 for you.
Yeah, all right. Fraser Tech, you're warned. Quentin's coming for your try line. Awesome. Have a great weekend.